She's still giving to the halter when we rode her with the halter. That's what makes us feel comfortable and safe. And that's what's gonna build her confidence as we work through her uncertainties. That's how we're gonna make it through all of her traumatic memories or whatever happens to her in her past. And this is the moral of the story. It really doesn't matter what happened in her past. All that matters is that we build a good future for her. Your past doesn't matter. Stuff has happened to everybody. What do you do about it? That's the question. That's the difference between the successful and the unsuccessful. Bad things happen to you in life. That's what life is. Whenever we're dealing with horses like this, that we're trying to rehab a horse that has had a traumatic experience or comes from a bad place or had a bad home or past, we don't care about that, because all that we care about is their future.